The aim of the following experiment is to train and test mice in a food-motivated task using a progressive ratio schedule of reinforcement. This is achieved by first food restricting the mice to 60 to 70% of ad libitum food intake to a stable reduction of 5 to 10% in body weight to enhance the acquisition of food-motivated lever-pressing behavior. The mice are then trained to lever press for a high-fat, high-sugar food reward in the fixed ratio 1 using an auto-shaping procedure. Mice are then trained to respond for food on more complex schedules of reinforcement, including fixed ratio 5, and then finally on the progressive ratio task, which provides a reliable measure of the rewarding effects of food. Next, after stable performance on the progressive ratio schedule, these mice are either food deprived for 12 to 24 hours or given intraperitoneal injection of anoretic agents to validate alterations in the food-motivated behavior on the progressive ratio schedule of reinforcement. The results of this experiment show that food deprivation increases the food-motivated behavior, whereas administration of the anoretic hormone leptin decreases the food-motivated behavior for high-fat and high-sugar food rewards.
Operant conditioning tasks provide a useful means to evaluate the rewarding and motivational effects of different stimuli and behavior. The progressive ratio task is a well-validated schedule of reinforcement that has widely been used to assess the rewarding effect of drug of abuse and natural rewards, such as food. Although more commonly used in rat studies, application of the progressive ratio operant task to mice has become increasingly important with the growing generation of genetically engineered mouse models.